Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Today we will discuss that how we can create the references in our Microsoft Word. So it's very simple and easy. For example, I will go to the Google Chrome. After that, I will go to the Google is opening here. Now you can see that it is open. I will simply write down here MyBib. So this is the application where you can simply add. It's the free app. It's the free app. So I will open it. It's the MyBib open. So here you can create the different style software references just like the APA hardware. So it's opening. Now I will tell you that here are the different styles. You can change it into the APA 6, APA 7, Chicago styles, Harvard styles, and Harvard Australia MLA 8 and MLA 9. So these are the different styles where you can change your references. Now I will change the references one by one. For example, I will select a reference here. I will go to the Google Scholar. It's the Google Scholar where you can see the every data of a scholar. So for example, I will select this paper or write down my name here. So you can see there are the different variety of the papers which are available here. I will select this one paper title and Control C, and after that I will apply the website or the PDF URL. OK, Control V. So it's not working. Why? Because it is asking me for that HTTPs. So if I am searching, so you can see it will not be search. It's asking me that enter the manually. Okay, I will deselect it. So simply I will go back to this one or open this text. Okay, now you can see that here is the title of this one, just like this. We will simply select this link and apply this link here, just like this. Now it will be searched. It's okay and it's correct. Now I will select the style APA 6, or you can see that it will be selected in the APA style. Here you can see that okay, this is the one references. You can see that there are different title of the paper, different authors, and year of the paper and DOI number. Okay, now I will select it APA style 7. So search, you can see it's changed. So these are the different articles. I can also collect the books. For example, I write down the book here, or book title, or book link. So I can simply create the reference. These are the journals. You can also create the journal reference, and if you have a video, you can just simply upload the video here and you can see the reference. So these are the different more selected resources. You can see that there are different artworks and the images, regulations, blog post, interview, reports, book, journal article, review, book chapters, and the legal bills, different songs, book reviews, and the legal case, speech, conference papers, and these are all the categories or the select sources. For example, I select the source of the ebook from here. So you can see that this is the different site of e-books. So here you can start any project if you are working. So you can say that it's my first project, and you can change the type of the project. For example, you say Memuna, or you can say information security. So you can see that it is created. If I want to create another software, I will create the start buttons, and I will simply create. Now these are the 3 points where you can rename the project, duplicate the project, and you can merge it with other folders, and you can add the folders in it, and you can also change the color of these folders. For example, you can see here is the color is green, here is the color is purple, and it's the yellow. So I can select the different colors. You can see it's the orange. Now if I go to there, and I can change the color just like the orange, sorry, and it's the next color. For example, you can also select here the red color. So you can also change the scheme of the color from here. And whenever you add the citation, you will simply go to this option add button, and from here you can select any paper as I told you from the Google Scholar, and just paste here, and you can see that your publication will be your reference will be available here. For other cases, just like the books and the journals and the videos, you can also apply it. Okay, now here you can see that the MLA 8 style is applied here. I can change the style by applying there. You can see. So after completing the references, you can download the reference list from here. So I hope it is clear to all of you. It's all about the MyBib, where you can add and create your references. Thank you so much, students. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel.